In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead form in Zoho CRM. Whether you're managing customer information or gathering potential leads, creating a lead form can simplify the process and ensure your data is organized systematically. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho CRM account. Once you're logged in, look for the setup icon, usually represented by a gear or wrench symbol, and click on it. This will open up a series of configuration options and settings that you can adjust within the platform. Next, search for the Web Forms option. You'll typically find this under the set of tools and settings related to data management. Clicking on Web Forms will lead you to the section where you can manage all the forms you've created or plan to create. Now let's go ahead and start a new form. You'll see a button labeled New Form. Clicking on this will initiate the process for creating a new lead form within Zoho CRM, starting with some basic settings. You'll then be prompted to input a form name. This is crucial as the form name helps you easily identify the purpose or specific campaign of the form. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the data you'll be collecting or the audience you're targeting. After naming your form, you need to select a module. Like a module. The module is essentially the category or area where the data will be stored in your CRM, such as leads, contacts, accounts, or deals. For today's purposes, select leads. Next, you'll encounter a field labeled Type in Highlight. Here you can further define specific characteristics or actions related to your form. Make sure you fill in any relevant information that would be beneficial for your data collection needs. Now, you'll be asked to click on Select Module. This step ensures you've correctly chosen where in the CRM the incoming data should be organized. It's essential to double-check that you've selected the most appropriate module based on your needs. Once everything looks good, click on Create. This action finalizes the setup of the basic form structure, allowing you to proceed to more detailed configurations. In this next segment, focus on the form layout by clicking that specific option. The layout is essential as it affects user experience. Take some time to drag and drop the fields, ensuring the form is intuitive and easy to fill out. Now, let's add some fields to your form. Click on the Fields section. Here you can customize what information users need to provide. It's a good idea to prioritize essential details that qualify as leads. Moving on, you might want to explore the advanced fields. These options allow for more specific entry types, such as drop-downs, checkboxes, or conditional logic. Tailor these to fit the data you're interested in collecting. Once satisfied, click Next. This progresses you to configuring specific form actions, such as setting up a form location URL, where you can embed or share your form online. Don't overlook the Action on Submission setting. Here, decide what happens after a user submits the form, such as redirecting them to a thank you page or triggering an email notification. Assigning ownership of the leads is crucial. Under Assign Owner, allocate which team member will manage incoming lead data, ensuring that each lead has a designated point of contact within your CRM. Additionally, consider clicking on Add Tags. Tags are a fantastic way to categorize and filter data, making retrieval easier in the future. Carefully choose tags that relate to your lead acquisition strategies. Review the notification settings next. These determine who gets alerted when a form is submitted. Ensuring the relevant team members receive notifications is vital for timely follow-up. Finally, once all settings are adjusted to your satisfaction, hit Save. This crucial action secures your work and activates the form for use. And there you have it. You've successfully created a lead form in Zoho CRM. With this tool, you're now better equipped to manage lead information, streamline data collection, and enhance engagement with potential customers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.